Hello and welcome back to PDNob channel. Have you ever opened a scanned PDF and realized you couldn't search the text, copy anything, or make edits? That's because a scanned PDF is basically just an image. To turn it into a searchable and editable document, you need OCR, or optical character recognition, which recognizes the text in the image and converts it into editable content. In this video, I'll show you 3 ways to do that using Microsoft Word, Mac Preview, and PDNob PDF Editor. Let's get started. Our first method is Microsoft Word. If you already have Microsoft Word installed, you can use it to convert a scanned PDF into an editable Word document. Simply open Word, go to File, then Open, and select your scanned PDF. Word will let you know that it needs to convert the file into an editable document. Click OK, wait for the conversion to finish, and you'll be able to edit the recognized text directly in Word. The biggest advantage of this method is convenience. If you already use Microsoft Word, there's nothing extra to install, and it works well for simple scanned documents like letters, forms, or basic reports. However, it's not perfect. OCR accuracy can vary, and documents with tables, images, or complex layouts may lose some formatting during conversion. Since Word isn't designed specifically for PDF editing, you may need to make a few manual adjustments afterward. Next is Mac Preview. If you're using a Mac, Preview is already built into Mac OS, so there's nothing to install. You can open your scanned PDF, view the document, add annotations, highlight content, and perform other basic tasks. However, Preview has one major limitation: it doesn't include OCR. Because scanned PDFs are image-based, Preview can't recognize the text inside them, which means you won't be able to search, copy, or edit the text. The advantage of Preview is that it's free, simple to use, and great for viewing or marking up PDF files. The downside is that it can't convert scanned PDFs into editable documents and offers only basic PDF features, making it less suitable if you regularly work with scanned files. Now let's look at PDNob, PDF Editor. Unlike Word or Preview, PDNob is built specifically for working with PDFs. It includes OCR technology that automatically recognizes text in scanned documents and converts it into searchable and editable content. To use it, open PDNob, PDF Editor, import your scanned PDF, and select the OCR feature. The software will scan the document and recognize the text automatically. Once the process is complete, you can search for keywords, copy text, edit the content, or convert the PDF into formats like Word while preserving the original layout. You can also edit text and images directly inside the PDF. And because PDNob is available for both Windows and Mac, it works no matter which platform you use. PDNob stands out because it's designed for complete PDF workflows. Along with OCR, it includes PDF editing, conversion, compression, annotation, and other useful tools in one application. It also does a much better job of preserving document formatting during conversion. The only drawbacks are that you'll need to install dedicated software, and some advanced features require the paid version. So, which method should you choose? Let's compare. If you only need to convert a simple scanned document once in a while, Microsoft Word is a quick and convenient option. If you're on a Mac and just need to view or annotate PDFs, Preview works perfectly. But if you frequently work with scanned documents, contracts, invoices, or research papers, a dedicated OCR editor like PDNob will save you time and deliver more accurate results. And that's how you can make a scanned PDF searchable and editable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more PDF tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.